What's up, it's your boy Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper focused on them infill lots. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialist YouTube channel. I'm your host, Damien Dupee, and this channel is all about helping you do your first, second, third, fourth land deal, how to structure your land deal, how to do marketing. If that's what you're looking for, you're in the right place. You pulled up. Listen, go ahead and put the car in park real quick. And man, we're going to go for a ride. Today we're going to be talking about, man, how to get deals off the MLS, how to earn agents business, real estate agents, how to, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people are having issues with this, and I think it's because of, I'll share that a little later, okay? So thank you. Go ahead and subscribe. This is your first time here. Appreciate you. Go ahead and smash that like button, turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any more epic wild content from your boy. You hear me? All right, so once you've done that, if you found anything valuable from here, drop me a comment. I would love to hear from you. I love feedback. Listen, no worries, okay? All right, so today we're going to be talking. We're going to get straight into it today. Oh, I forgot one last thing. If you're struggling to do a land deal and you need that one-on-one, you know what I'm saying? You need that line upon line, precept upon precept. Your boy got you covered. Your boy got you covered. I got something real special for you, $9.97, fresh off the press. You don't want to miss this. The link is in the description. Man, join the community. Man, get plugged in. Invest in yourself. All right. So today we're going to be talking about, man, listen. Let me tell you how I got on this, first of all. All right, so I put my man on game. My man is a student of mine. He just started land business, fired his boss. Woo, doing good. Man, my man is winning, okay? However, he was getting stuck like Chuck on the dispo, okay? And stuck like Chuck on the disposition basically means he'll get properties under contract. However, was having a hard time moving it. He'll skip trace the people in the area, and they wasn't rocking. You know what I'm saying? So he came to me like, man, listen, I know this a deal. I know this joint Gucci. I know I can make some ching off of it. However, you know what I'm saying? Always that however, ain't nobody trying to rock. I said, man, no worries, say no more. So I put him down with the FlatFee MLS game, put him down with the plug. FlatFee MLS is basically where you can list properties on the MLS for a flat fee, and it allows you to get a lot of eyes on it, okay? I sell a lot of stuff on FlatFee MLS, highly recommend it. And in the state of North Carolina, it is not illegal to list properties you do not own. Thank God for that, okay? So it's not illegal, okay? So my man gets into the situation. I tell him what to do, and he rock. He say, all right, boom. He take action, okay? But my man, I think what went wrong was not what my man did, is what he said, okay? So basically, it went something like this, and I'm paraphrasing. My man getting all these agents blowing him up, hitting him like, yo, I want the land. He's excited. He's like, yeah, you can have the land. You can have the land. And I'm telling him like, okay, cool. But he ain't hit me on the B part, because it's a B part. It's an A part to listing properties on the FlatFee MLS, and it's a B part to it. And that's talking to the agents. And that's really basically making sure they're comfortable with you before they allow you to put their client's property under contract. Straight up. Facts. You need to hear that. Let me say that one more time. There's an A part to the strategy, and there's a B part to the strategy. The A part is basically putting it on the MLS. The B part is getting a agent, you know what I'm saying, that's trying to rock, okay? So long story short, what my man did was he basically said, I'm a wholesaler, and I'm looking to sell this contract for more money than what I got it for, and they shut him down. And actually, they not only shut him down, but they went around his back and basically did the deal straight direct to the owner and said, man, listen, little tink over there, man, he tried to sell your property. And long story short, they took the deal from under him. Okay? So, again, hear me out. I'm going to break this down in two different ways so you can get this. You need to pay attention. If you're trying to do this strategy. If you're not trying to do this strategy, it's all good in the hood, okay? All right, so on the first part, if you got a property under contract and you're trying to list it, and you go with an investor-friendly agent that lists it for you on a flat fee, The most challenging part is dealing with the agent and basically educating them. And let me tell you exactly what I say. And if they rock, they rock. If they don't, I go to the next. Okay. I say you got to educate them. Very, very important. You got to educate these people. You got to say, this is a contract assignment, and I need your client's entity name so that I can send the agreement over to approve. And when they ask what is a contract assignment, which 99% of them does, and you say my company, which specializes in, disposition and acquisitions of vacant land, we have this property under agreement, and we wish to assign the agreement to your client. Does that work for you? And if it don't work for them, listen, keep it moving, okay? Your goal is to move the property, okay? So that's really what you got to do. You got to educate them. You got to be confident, and you got to know beyond a shadow of a doubt who's the closing attorney. They're going to ask you that. Well, who do you close with? Nicole Merritt, Queen City Closings, Kannapolis, North Carolina. Would you like her phone number? You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to be sharp. You know what I'm saying? Like a tack. You got to be sharp, baby. You can't be, yeah, I'm saying, yeah. You can't. You're going to get the clicky to hang up on you, okay? So you definitely want to be real, real sharp. And everybody ain't going to rock. Get it. I usually don't have no issues with the agents. They usually rock. I have never, ever, by the grace of God, had nobody, agent go behind me and go get a deal. That's that's tough, okay? So in order for you to avoid that, you just basically need to lock it up. Oh, let me tell you the workaround. This is the workaround. In any event they try to backdoor you, you need to be in a position where you can close on that property ASAP to secure your assignment fee. Okay? How do you secure your assignment fee? Okay? So basically, you close on a property and then you put it on the market. That way you own it free and clear. And listen, you ain't got nothing to worry about. Okay? If you don't have the bread to close it, partner with someone who can close it like me. Okay? If I see you got a deal for $10,000 and I see they selling for $30,000, hey, I'm going to put up the bread. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. So that's the workaround for that. Partner with somebody who got one, the proof of funds, or who got the bread to close it real quick in case the seller blow back on you and be like, oh man, I heard you was woo woo woo. You tell them, hey, listen, no worries. This is a part of our marketing. But I got good news. I'm going to close this for you tomorrow. Disregard what the agent and the broker and all them said. Disregard your agreement is with me. And I'm going to honor that agreement. And I'm a man of my word. So that's basically what you tell them. I'm going to honor that agreement. I'm a man of my word. And I'm going to get her done for you. So try to get the closing ASAP. You got to get it. Okay. All right. So what do you do if there's a property on the MLS and you believe that you can wholesale it for more money, and the only thing about it is you got to convince the agent that you're a great fit. All right. So this comes down to confidence and structure. Confidence, structure, and follow-up. Probably be the three things. You got to be confident. You got to know how to structure the deal, and you got to follow up because they might not rock ASAP. So basically what this looks like is, my name is Damien with Creative Land Solutions. I'm interested in a property you got listed, and I was wondering if you can write me an offer for $15,500 earnest money and 21-day closing, and then don't say nothing else. So if the deal structure don't go over real easy, you need to ask them, okay, well, what terms will work for your client? Okay. And what you want to do is you want to be prepared to do, every time I'm dealing with stuff off the MLS, majority of the time I'm sending over a bank statement because I want to show them that I have way more than enough money to buy this property. So if the property $15,000, I might send over a statement for, let's just say 60, 70, 80,000, just to show them that I have the liquidity to buy the property. And that's really the key to getting these deals off the MLS or to get these deals from real estate agents. Confidence. Got to be confident. Short and sweet. Okay? Got to be short and sweet. Got to know how to structure. And you got to follow up. Sometimes you got to run them down. Sometimes you got to keep texting them. Keep following with, hey, just checking the status. Made an offer to your client. But the end of the conclusion of the matter is You need to tell them 1,000 times, how can I be the highest and best offer? How can I be the highest and best offer? You need to tell them that. They need to know that. They need to feel you, okay? So if you're struggling to do a deal with a real estate agent, man, try these tips out. Definitely try these tips out. See if they work. They have worked for me for years, okay? And you may be asking, well, how do you know so much about real estate agents and how to talk to them? Because I was a real estate agent for 3 years, and I know the lingo. Agents really only care about the commission, doing both sides of the deals, and getting the deal to the finish line. That's all they really care about. And if you can help them with that, and if they can know that beyond a shadow of a doubt that you're going to help them not only get this deal to the finish line, but you're going to get their client the highest and best, you got a winner chicken dinner. So listen, I'm gone like the wind. If you found anything valuable from that, drop me a comment. Listen, don't be ashamed to drop a comment to your boy. I'm gonna holler back at you. You hear me? But I'm gone like the wind. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate all of y'all. You, and you, and you. Okay? Gone like the wind. See you.